Hello everyone. Today we're exploring public goods and common resources, two types of goods where markets often fail to allocate resources efficiently. Most goods in the economy are private goods, things you can own and others can't use at the same time, like a sandwich or a cell phone. Some goods don't fit that pattern. Economists classify goods based on two key characteristics: excludability and rivalry in consumption. A good is excludable if people can be prevented from using it, like a concert ticket. It's rival if one person's use reduces what's available for others. Goods are non-excludable and non-rival. Everyone can use them, and one person's use doesn't reduce availability for others. Examples include national defense, street lighting, and broadcast radio signals, services we all share without competing for use. Because no one can be excluded, private markets often fail to provide enough public goods. This is called the free rider problem. The free rider problem happens when individuals enjoy the benefits of a good without paying for it, so firms have little incentive to produce it. Here's your first question. Can you think of a real-world example of a free rider, someone benefiting from a public good without contributing to it? Good examples. Because of the free rider problem, governments often step in to provide public goods and fund them through taxes. Public provision helps ensure that essential goods like roads, parks, and national defense are available to everyone. Now, let's turn to common resources, goods that are non-excludable but rival in consumption. This means people can't be prevented from using them, but one person's use reduces how much is left for others. Examples include fisheries, grazing land, groundwater, and even public forests, all resources that can be overused when left unmanaged. This overuse is known as the tragedy of the commons, where individual incentives lead to the depletion of shared resources. For instance, if every fisherman tries to catch as many fish as possible, the entire fish population may collapse, hurting everyone in the long run. To prevent this, governments or communities may set quotas, require permits, or establish property rights to manage usage sustainably. Question 2. What are some ways local communities could prevent the tragedy of the commons without direct government control? Remember, public goods tend to be underprovided, and common resources tend to be overused, both cases where markets need help achieving efficiency.